Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how you can add some vector art, shapes, and icons onto your Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. Go to the Add button on the top left. On the search bar, type in what kind of element you're looking for. Say, for example, well, my site is all about sweets and desserts, so I'm going to search for cake, for example. Then hit Enter. Once results are shown, make sure that you go to vector art if you're looking for vector art, stickers if you're looking for stickers, icons if you're looking for icons, and so on. You know what I mean. So in my case, I'm just going to choose a vector art. So say, for example, this one, and I'm going to click on it for it to be added to our page. And here we go. Just position it properly or position it wherever you want to place it. And if you'd ever like to upload your own media instead, so you can just simply go to upload over here, click on upload from computer, and select a media you want to upload. I don't have any sample vector art or illustration over here, so I'm just going to be choosing these photos. So click on open, and once you open them, they will be uploaded under your site files folder, and you should be able to access them here. So basically, that's it. That's how you add a vector art or icon onto your Wix Harmony site. That's all for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.